In this video, I'll show you how to change the layout in Microsoft Teams so you can customize how participants and shared content appear during meetings. This is especially helpful if you're in large meetings, presentations, or want to better focus on speakers or shared screens. To get started, join or start a Microsoft Teams meeting. Once you're in the meeting, look at the top menu bar and click the View button. From the View menu, you'll see several layout options you can switch between. Select Gallery to see participants in a grid view. This is the default layout and works well for most meetings. If you want to focus on whoever is speaking, choose Speaker View. This layout highlights the active speaker and automatically switches as different people talk. For meetings with many participants, select Large Gallery. This lets you see more people on your screen at once, making it easier to follow group discussions. If someone is sharing their screen and you want to see both the content and participants, choose Together Mode or Focus Mode. Focus Mode removes participant videos so you can concentrate fully on shared content, while Together Mode places everyone in a shared virtual background for a more engaging experience. You can also use Dynamic View, which automatically adjusts the layout based on who's talking and whether content is being shared. You can switch layouts at any time during the meeting, and Teams will instantly update the view without interrupting the call. And that's how you can easily change the layout in Microsoft Teams. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Microsoft Teams tips and tutorials.